Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I will detail how to turn off high protection in the iPhone. Literally, if you're using Android phone, you should see dark mode, night mode, but on iPhone, there is no particular function for high protection. But there are workarounds you can use to disable high protection if your iPhone screen is too dark or your iPhone screen warm color or temperature is out of what you like. So here, I'm going to walk you through a workaround on how you can easily turn off all form of functions that could put your iPhone in high protection. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, here's the thing. You just need to go to your iPhone settings, and on settings page, scroll down and click on display and brightness. If you have dark mode enabled like this, then go ahead and turn it off. Then that's the first thing. Secondly, scroll down and disable automatic. So this is going to disable dark mode automation on your iPhone. Then again, you want to scroll down until you get to night shift. So if your night shift is enabled like this, then you want to go ahead and disable the night shift. You see that? So the moment I turned on night shift, the screen brightness was adjusted to accommodate more color temperature. Then if this is turned on in your own case, go ahead and disable this. And once you disable that, that's going to turn off night shift. And also, if you keep seeing warning that you're too close to your iPhone, then you want to go to screen time. On the screen time page, scroll down and click on screen distance. You can see reduce high strain. Then once you selected screen distance, if you have this turned on, go ahead and turn this off. And once that is turned off, then you should see your iPhone screen brightness restore back to normal. So that is basically all. These are the approaches you can use to turn off high protection in iPhone. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.